Hello, how are you? My name's Chris, and I imagine you realise that my name is Christopher Britt. Well, I'm an English teacher and I want to help you learn English or to improve your English. Here at Britingles, we make English easy. We have our own system of teaching English. It's called LiNKiT. LiNKiT basically works because we want to say the same thing in every language. So sometimes the grammar doesn't really work, but the expression does. So we use LiNKiT, especially with Spanish. It works perfectly. It will work with your language as well. We do preparation for official exams, such as Trinity, Advert, Cambridge. Cambridge has been around for a long time. It was then followed by Trinity, and now we have Advert. Advert is a very logical, very straightforward examination, and it costs a little bit less. However, you still need to get ready and learn English properly. So you still have to go through the same steps, but the final exam is online at a centre. Okay, it's a lot easier. Here at Britingles, we also have our own platform for online teaching. We use LearnCube. LearnCube has over 1,100 hours of lessons, from A1, I know nothing, to C2, where you are bilingual. Then we have Business English, from the levels of B1 to C2, where the lessons are directed towards business, where you will improve your use of vocabulary. You will be introduced to different ways of saying things when you are dealing with business. My name's Christopher Britt, so I'm on Facebook as Christopher Britt. I'm also on Facebook as Britingles. Okay, you will also be able to find me on Facebook with LiNKiT Languages. That is the same for YouTube as well. Right, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter. Look for Britingles, look for LiNKiT Languages. If you want any help with your English, please get in touch. Oh, and look at the webpage, because there are materials there that will help you improve your English so that you can enjoy the language further. Take care. Bye.